Productivity isn't just about how many hours you sit on a chair or how many emails you send. It's about how long you can keep a complex system in your head without someone interrupting you and making that mental model collapse. The first mistake most of us make is how we start the day. You sit down, open your laptop, and immediately check Slack or Jira. By doing that, you've already lost. You're letting other people's problems dictate your focus before you've written a single line of code. You should start with the hardest technical problem on your plate. If there's a bug that's been bothering you for 2 days or a refactor that feels overwhelming, do that first. Your brain has the most energy right after you start. If you save the hard stuff for 3 p.m., you're trying to solve difficult logic with a tired mind, and that's why you end up staying late and still feeling like you got nothing done. Another issue is having too many things open at once. If you have 3 different features in progress, your attention is split. Even if you aren't looking at the other 2 branches, your brain is still tracking them. This is basically just wasted memory. Finish one thing, get it through CI, merge it, and then move on. It's better to have 1 completed feature than 3 that are 90% done. You also have to be very protective of your time. In this job, an interruption isn't just a 2-minute distraction, it's a context switch. It takes a significant amount of time to load all the variables, logic flows, and edge cases back into your working memory after you've been pulled away. If you're getting poked every 20 minutes, you aren't actually working, you're just trying to remember what you left off. Put your status to Do Not Disturb and close your browser tabs. If a meeting doesn't actually need you there to make a decision, don't go. Batch your messages and pull request reviews into 30-minute windows so they don't fragment your entire afternoon. When it comes to writing code, stop trying to make it perfect on the first try. A lot of developers get stuck in analysis paralysis where they spend hours trying to figure out the most extensible way to build a simple utility. Usually, you don't even need that abstraction yet. Write the code that solves the immediate problem. If you find yourself writing it a 3rd time later, then you can worry about making it a reusable component. Until then, you're just guessing about what you might need in the future and you're wasting time building things you might never use. If you're stuck on a problem for a long time, the worst thing you can do is keep staring at the screen. After a certain point, your brain just stops seeing the obvious mistakes. Stand up and do something else. Most of the time, the solution will come to you when you aren't looking for it. It's not a mystery, it's just how your brain handles background processing. If you're exhausted, you're going to write bad code and you'll just spend tomorrow morning fixing the bugs you created today because you were too tired to think straight. The last thing you should do before you stop working is plan exactly what you're doing tomorrow. Don't just say work on the back end. Write down the specific file and the specific function you need to touch. When you sit down the next day, you won't have to spend any energy deciding what to do. You just start. This also helps you stop thinking about work at night because you know you have a plan ready to go. Being a productive developer isn't about working harder than everyone else. It's just about setting up your environment so you can actually do the work you were hired to do.